are taking Steve to Chicago Motor Cars. Our good friend Mike Salerno is helping us get Steve into an SVJ Aventador.
So the issue is Steve doesn't know that he wants an SVJ. So we know that we want to trade in his Lamborghini for a new Lamborghini. He doesn't know. But it's okay, it'll be fine. It'll be fun. It'll be good. I'm excited.
What kind of Lambo are we trying to get?
A Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. They have a nice white one with gold wheels, so it would match the Countach basically, because we had gold wheels. We had gold wheels in the Countach, but I just like the Aventador. It's like, it was his first supercar, which I get is cool, but like he never drives it. Like it's a piece of junk compared to the new ones, so we just need an SVJ. Do you know how you don't drive the Aventador very often?
And it kind of sucks.
Yes. We're gonna test drive some cars for the vlog. Okay. Cars are we gonna test drive?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You'll see when we get there.
Where are they?
We have it set up.
Got a motor car? It better not be the SVJ, buddy. You're not having me drive that, are you?
Why don't you want to drive it?
Because the Lamborghini already sucks. You wouldn't know. You've only driven your Lamborghini. How is the suspension? The part I hate the most. It's gonna be a huge difference. The suspension. Yes. Is different. Try it. You won't know until you try it.
Your least favorite supercar.
Oh no! Also my first supercar, but still my least favorite.
When was the last time you drove this? More than in the driveway.
I think within the last month, but usually when I take them out for like a full day or two, and I drove this thing like once, and then parked it. I'm gonna do a little rip here.
Oh god.
And that is why I hate it.
It shifts so hard.
It does, and some purists love that, but not me. And I don't want to manually shift a car unless it is a manual transmission. I don't want to have to paddle shift. That's too much work. All show. It shifts so rough. It's not quite as fast as the others, but it looks good. So this is a car that you drive for a looker. Hey man, you want to hear a song?
Yeah.
Oh wait, it doesn't have Bluetooth.
This car sucks.
Piece of shit. Right when it turns green, he's gonna get it. There we go. Got him. Oh, he's going. Right,
he's going.
I hope he gets pulled over. My car's just randomly shifting into neutral when I stop. My favorite feature about this. What? Yeah, you look good, guy. So when it shifts into neutral, I don't know that it shifts into neutral, so then I'm getting ready to go and I just rev. It just revs really loud in front of everybody and I look like an idiot. Aye.
Good. That was perfect. Thank you, sir.
What's that, bitch?
You're perfect.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, on green y'all go.
Now we're right by the sheriff's station and courthouse.
Give it gas, go!
Sheriff, DuPage County Courthouse. Whoops. Look over there, there's a fire. Ah, it sucks. Ah, I think it's so much better. I'm gonna trade this in for another Senna. All right. I'll turn the wheel all the way and then just smash the side of the car. It's perfect.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and recreate it right here.
I mean, it's happened before. We might as well do it to a P1. Let's do it, man. That's
Who
volcano red.
else has crashed a
It's perfect.
red P1? A volcano
It'll be
red
me
P1
and then that guy.
in Chicago. What's up, man? How are you?
All right. Good.
How many SVJs do you have? In this showroom? That's the fourth one, no? Oh.
Four, you're right. So that's a Zajo. That one's about $1 million. That's a 1 out of 10.
And then you have one in your Naperville showroom
Yep,
as well,
Viola.
right? So you have five. Well, one is sold these.
It even sounds better than yours.
It sounds different. It sounds like it has a totally different motor, which it does not. It doesn't. No, more power.
How's it feel, big guy?
I like the Alcantara, but that's probably, it's got a strap. Same guts, but a lot more carbon and looks a little more updated. I like it. It definitely feels way different. It still feels jerky initially. It feels a lot of the same to me.
Oh, it's a little faster. Come on.
What the f is he talking about? This thing literally, the steering's a little easier. Part of the feeling is the steering's so heavy and it makes the car feel like it's heavy. This one seems to resolve that a little bit.
What do you think? What do you think?
I think that Tommy overhyped the hell about this
So
thing.
Tommy just wants you to get an SVJ.
Seriously, I think he just wants me to get an SVJ. This one shifts in neutral as well. Ah! Why? I'm in drive and you just throw yourself in neutral. Hey Tommy, if you're viewing this, you're fired. All right, so the car definitely has a way better look, no doubt about that. I love the spoiler, carbon, way more carbon on the exterior. Sound of the exhaust is just way more. It's just way different, which is weird because I'm relatively certain it's the same V12. I like the wheels. Wheels are center lock. I don't have center lock wheels on it. Aside from looks, it feels a lot like my car. I mean, I love my Countach. It looks amazing. It feels like a 1980s just raw machine. I love it. I'm told the Huracans are nice, but I think the single clutch like shifting is what turns me off the most, but that's like a Lamborghini purist thing. Gentlemen at Chicago Motor Cars, nothing but class. Awesome dealership. They have a huge selection. They were kind enough to literally let me just take out an SVJ without a salesman present. He gave me his credit card to fill it up with gas. Really good people. Unfortunately, I just don't really like this car, so nothing against them. They've been nothing but awesome to us. So I've test drove multiple cars. My brothers bought from them. Eventually I will buy a car from them. There's been several I've been interested in, but we just didn't work out one way or another. They sell them fast too. Sometimes you'll reach out on a car they just posted and it's gone. It will happen eventually. Tommy pitched it as like, if you drive the Aventador, the SVJ is a completely different experience. Okay. Look at the cars on paper though. This car set the Nürburgring track record for production cars. The Aventador couldn't touch that. See, this car is so you. All your cars it has a giant wing from factory. Yeah. Super loud, obnoxious. It looks super cool. And look at that, just that piece of crap. Just kidding. I'm kidding. All right, bro. All right. Last fall, you said, and I quote, you hated the Urus. You would never get one. And now he has one in order. I also told him I'm not getting a P1. Yes, when he wanted to
And a Hercules.
and a Hercules, the 6x6. I called last November and he had that in order. And Steve wants to fire me.
Dude.
And Steve wants to fire me.
Dude, she just broke the center key.
Why are you even filming him? He's fired. That's not even.
That's the
Oh,
That's the
my
center
key.
key.
All right.
Oh, never mind. We're good. He's never gonna let this go. There's another part.
Oh my gosh, she's sitting. There's Natalia's favorite position, just sitting. Help out the helpless.
Wait, hang on. Are you making Steve look for it?
A McLaren key that I broke.
Was it in your pocket and then you were taking it out and that's when it fell? That's in your purse.
No, I was holding the center key the whole time.
Guess where it was? Where? Guess where it was?
Up my butt crack.
It was in. That's where it was.
Alright, cool.
It was literally inside the air vent of the car. It was right here.
Wow.
How?
Where?
Oh no, it was in her hand the whole time. It wasn't like hanging out of her
I was holding
pocket.
the key the whole time. I wasn't holding the back of it.
Didn't feel the back of it fall off. Got it. It's been a couple days. We're back from Chicago Motor Cars. Steve didn't love the SVJ. I was hoping he would, but he has some comments on it. You can ask him how he feels about it. Tommy's still fired. No, I mean overall, it's not a good fit. It's not going to make sense for me to get that car. I mean, I don't really like my Aventador to begin with, and he pitched this thing as the end-all, save-all, and it's just not the case. So the issue is we have too many hypercars coming. There's just not room for an SVJ. There's only so much money you can spend, and I want to continue buying hypers. So that's my story. That's a good plan. I'm down.